Good morning, dear students. So as we have completed our lesson, we'll just go with the grammar part. Okay, and today I'll be sending the question answers of these lessons so you can just copy in your English notebook. So for this grammar part is the simple present tense. So what do you mean by simple present tense? All of you know that in tense there are mainly three types: present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay, and that again, like, types will be there, like present tense, simple present tense. Okay, present continuous, present participle. Okay, so like this again four types will be there. Okay, so we'll learn in the those, like how we'll be getting all those things we'll be learning. So here only simple present tense and simple past tense are there. So first, simple present tense. So what do you mean by simple present tense? Simple present tense we use to express our routine actions, to tell our routine actions. What are the routine? Routine means like daily we will do without and fail. We are going to do those things. Okay, so see now, here in the book what they have given: the jackal roams around the cave, Mowgli plays with Balu and Bagheera every morning. Okay, so this is the routine of those people. Okay, like those animals. Like you may say, I brush every morning. Okay, I do yoga every morning. These are your routines, right? So the simple present tense is used to express our routine actions. So first one, see exercise. Complete these sentences with suitable verbs in the simple present tense. So first one, my parents drink my parents drinks juice every morning. So here is a routine. See what, my parents drinks juice every morning. So drinking juice every morning is a routine. So drinks every, like juice every morning. Second one, I go to read book during weekend. Okay, so I go to read a book during weekends. This is also routine. For every weekend we read book. Third one, every evening I play with my friends. Okay, so every evening I play with my friends. My mother teaches me for piano. My mother teaches me for piano classes in the evening. Sorry, it's not teaches. My mother sends me for piano classes in the evening. Okay, and fifth one, the principal wants to the students every day during the assembly. Like, see, you should follow these rules. Okay, you should not do these things. So this way the principal wants students every day during the morning assembly. Okay, so now the second one, the simple past tense. Simple past tense, this is used to express the action has already happened. Okay, now it has already happened. Present, it's like it happens. Like we'll say, I do this every morning, I'm going to play every evening. Like these are our routines. So when we are going to express all these things, this is called as simple present tense, and it has already happened now. It has already happened. It is called as what? Simple past tense. Okay, so see here. Father Wolf took Mowgli to the council rock. He has already taken him, right? So this is simple past tense. So see here. As I gave you the example for simple present, that I brush every morning. So in simple past tense, I brushed. Okay, I brushed. You can say. So see here. B. Complete these sentences with the simple past tense of the verbs in the brackets. First one, Mother Wolf refused to give the man cub to Sher Khan. See here in the bracket they have given the refuse, verb they have given. So this we have to use in simple past tense. Okay, so Mother Wolf refused to give the man cub to Sher Khan. Refused. She has already refused. Like she has already told that I am not going to give you. Okay. Second one. Father Wolf. See, in the bracket they have gave take. Father Wolf dash Mowgli to Akela to decide whether he should keep him or give him away. Father Wolf took Mowgli to Akela to decide whether he should keep him or give him away. Third one, the wolf pack happily accepted Mowgli. Accept, they have given already verb, so they have accepted. Already they have accepted. No need to think. Fourth one, the animals taught Mowgli. So the past tense of teach is taught. Okay, so animals taught Mowgli. Fifth one, he played. He played in the jungle. So here, play they have given. So he played in the jungle and made plenty of friends there. So these all are past tense. Now see, there they have given compound nouns. Compound nouns means, see, we'll be having two words. Both the words are going to give meaning to us. Then too we are going to combine them. Those are called as what? Compound nouns. See here, they have given the examples. First one is moonlight. Moon also gives a meaning. Light also gives a meaning. Then to combine them. Moonlight. Cattle killer. See, cattle killer. Cattle also gives a meaning. Killer also gives a meaning. But cattle killer, it also gives a meaning, right? The same way here we have to match the nouns. Okay. Combine the words in column A with those in column B to make the compound nouns. Okay. So here, see, first one. Fire, fly. Fire also has a meaning and fly also has a meaning. But then to firefly. See here in the picture you can see firefly. See, second one, note, book. Notebook. As we say, textbook, notebook. Note also have a meaning. Book also have a meaning. They like each word will be having its own meaning, but then too when we are going to combine it and read, they are called as what? Compound nouns. So note and book, notebook. Third one, key and board, keyboard. Fourth one, foot, then ball, football. Fifth one, hair, cut, haircut. Okay, so see, we'll be having two different words, but then two, both the words will be having their own meaning. But when we are going to combine those both nouns, then it is called as compound noun, and it is going to give a meaning. Okay, different meaning. Okay, so these are called as what? Compound nouns. Now next, collocation with adjectives and nouns. So here, see here adjectives and nouns, like we are going to combine naturally and form a common expression. Like, see here, look at these examples from the story. Wild animals. Now how the animals are? Wild. Here adjective is wild, animal is noun, right? So adjective is going to describe how the noun is. So animal, how the animal is? It is a wild animal. Moon, how the moon is? It's full. Okay, so B. Complete these sentences by choosing the right words from the brackets. Okay, so complete. See, first one, it was a big or deep mistake to go out in the rain. It was a big mistake. It's not a deep mistake, it's a big mistake. Okay, how the mistake is? It's big one. Second one, we had great fun at the circus. Okay, We had great fun. Third one, Janet likes to wear bright colors, not shiny colors. So bright. Okay, if colors are there, then bright, dull, we say, right? So Janet likes to wear bright colors. Fourth one, they were late because they were stuck in long traffic or heavy traffic. Okay, so, sorry, it's not long, it's heavy. They were late because they were stuck in heavy traffic. 5. Everyone agreed that ice cream was good idea. Ice cream was good idea. Okay, so here in this class we learnt about simple past, present tense, simple past tense, compound noun and collocation with adjectives and nouns. Okay, watch the video and understand. Thank you, students.